Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the basics. You need an active Prime subscription and the device signed into the account you want to change. Once signed in, open the Prime Video app and check the app version. Update it if it is older than about 1 month. Then go to Settings, Profile and Parental Controls, select the profile. Make sure you have the payment method ready if an ad-free option requires an upgrade. Otherwise, identify which profiles show personalized ads so you can target changes. Now you adjust the account-wide and profile settings that actually reduce ads. In Amazon account settings, open advertising preferences and toggle off interest-based ads. This reduces targeted promos. Once done, go back to Prime Video, choose your profile, and disable personalized recommendations and viewing history sync to stop tailored trailers. Next, open playback settings and switch autoplay and trailers to off. That prevents pre-roll trailers. Remember to save changes and sign out of other devices, so settings apply consistently. Finish by checking paid options. Sometimes an upgraded plan or bundled subscription permanently removes sponsored content. Upgrade if needed. Once done, clear the app cache, reinstall the Prime Video app, and reboot your device to force updated preferences to take effect. If ads still appear, make sure you're signed into the correct profile, then capture a screenshot and contact Amazon support with your account ID. A single troubleshooting tip. Relog in on one device first, confirm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.